Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a speed test of the hard drive WD Western Digital Elements 5TB hard drive. So let me find it on here. So with the 5TB hard drive you get 4.54 terabytes you can use, which is alright, not too bad. Software I'm going to use to benchmark this is a Crystal Dismark. That's the main one that everyone uses and that's the good one. So let's go for it guys. That's the right hard drive, yep. Right, let's see what it can do. So this is not a SSD, it's a normal hard drive. So I'm not expecting crazy results. And I dropped the camera somehow. Okay. So we're looking mainly at the write speeds. That's the ones we want. That at least, I'd say at least 80 MB write speed would be good. Otherwise this is going to be slow as hell. Also one thing I noticed on this, with the hell joint, let's see. Oh, breezy, okay. So one thing I noticed on this drive that I don't like already, if you know, watch my unboxing video, go check it out. But yeah, one thing I've noticed so far is this USB port, the USB 3 port, very flimsy. Like this, I'll show you in a second. It is very flimsy. It's the worst. I was thinking, what the hell, because that's not gonna last. But then again, I'm not using it as much as say like a phone or something, so I don't know. It's not a good thing, but that's why I prefer the Western Digital My Passport. I guess that's the reason. It's costs less, I guess. This costs less. But all the reviews, none of it said anything about that. Maybe I just have a faulty one, I don't know. Let me know if you guys know if you have it. Alright guys, we've got two more. We've done two, we're going for the third one now. 0.57. I'm really more bothered about the write speed because mostly you're going to be writing to this hard drive more than anything. Because that's what hard drives, external hard drives for, moving stuff onto it. And yeah, if you're planning to use this to play games off, I don't recommend it because it's very slow, isn't it? I recommend SSD. So yeah, I'm just using this to move my videos onto for YouTube because I've got too many videos now and not enough space. I'm running out of space on everything. If you have a look here, main hard drive full, backup hard drive full. It's just named backup, it's not actually backup. It was meant to be backup, but I just don't have the space for anything else. 140 gigs only left on my games drive. My games drive also doesn't just have games on it, has everything. So yeah, we're struggling for space at the moment. And then on my phone, we got 200 videos in the upload folder. So they're the ones I've edited and done. So 200 and something videos. So that's took up all my storage on my SD card, which is 400 gig SD card. Can you imagine how much space this all takes? So yeah, it is what it is, guys. Okay, write speeds are good. I'm happy with that. Okay, write speeds are pretty damn good. I'm happy. Like I said, I wanted 80 minimum. It's overbeat that by 125, which is decent. It's not bad. It's not bad at all, guys. I'm happy with that. Really happy with that. Hopefully the small writes will be higher. So this part here, hopefully that's higher than 0.6. Otherwise, we might see some hiccups on moving small files, writing small files to the drive. It'll be very slow. So yeah, hopefully it can do good. Yeah, look at them speeds, guys. So once this is done, I'll show you how flimsy that is, if I can with one hand. And then I got my other Western Digital hard drive. We'll do a speed test on that I bought a couple years ago. So yeah, see how that is as well. Come on, don't take in the piss in me. Oh my goodness. Okay, I think we're on the small one now. Yeah, preparing. Alright, let's see. Hopefully a 2, maybe 2 MB. Oh, 12. Okay, that's beat my expectations on the small file writing. I'm really happy with that. Alright guys, so far speed wise this drive is very good. to say it's a normal hard drive. So I paid £100 for 5 terabytes. Not bad, is it, guys? But hopefully it doesn't bite me in the ass by the connector breaking, because it is very flimsy. I'll show you now once it's finished. But these results are pretty damn good so far. It's nearly done. We got another full one left, which is now. So I'm guessing this will be around 10 or 11 or 12 as well. Not bad. Wow, I'm really impressed. But then again, this drive is empty at the moment. When I fill it up, maybe it might slow down. I don't know. Could do. We don't know. So yeah, who knows. But then again, it's not SSD, so maybe we won't. This might be the permanent speeds, which is really good. I'm happy with that. Okay, the speeds are done. This is the speeds. Now guys, let me show you how flimsy the drive is now. Let me disconnect it. Eject. Okay, it's been ejected. There's your LED light. Okay, you ready? Can you see that? Look how flimsy that is, guys. I'm gonna try a different USB plug out as well. So if it's just this, then fair enough. But I highly doubt it. I think the whole thing's very thingy, so that's not gonna last. But yeah, anyways guys, that's another issue for another day. I guess don't know what to do about that. But yeah, anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.